Hi guys, welcome to DIY SteelCity. Today I'm going to show you how we built this almost free rain barrel for my garden. It's always good to use free water, and it's even better to get this free 55-gallon barrel from a local car wash service. It's not a totally free rain barrel because we had to purchase this toolkit. It was about $40. It's not as cheap as we expected, but compared to the finished rain barrels on the market, this option is still much cheaper. Okay, let's get started. Before the installation, we built a base, but this is totally optional. We used the available cinder blocks and bricks on our backyard and built this simple but decent solid base. Installing the parts from the toolkit wasn't that difficult. The toolkit has everything we needed. We first drilled a hole for the spigot 3 inches above the bottom. The barrel was rolling around. We used some bricks on both sides to stabilize it. Here's the first hole. The next step is to insert the threaded rubber seal into the hole and thread the spigot into the seal until the hex collar on the spigot sits firmly against the seal. Next, we moved the barrel back to the base to locate where the gutter hole needed to be and how the barrel could be connected to the gutter. Similar to installing the spigot, we drilled a hole and screwed the diverter to the gutter. Make sure it's sealed tightly. We drilled our last hole in this project and inserted the rubber hose here. The last step was to connect the barrel to the gutter using these fill holes. That's it, that's done. A 55-gallon rain barrel is ready to collect water. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you like DIY. Thank you for watching.